the MLS Super Draft. And we are underway here from Severance. In Severance on Wednesday night, it was cold and rainy. Coach Zayed said, I loved it. He said, I wish it was like this all the time. There's a shot in on goal, and Christensen makes the save. With that PK in stoppage. Prentice heading it forward, muscling. And we've got a whistle. That was offside, I believe. So that is the second yellow. Here it is coming in. It's against Robles again. Gets that left ankle. Pearson did, stabbing at it. And he draws his second yellow. We'll bring some fresh legs out there. It'll be Nico Brown coming in momentarily. Prentice shifting left. His pass, shot and a save by Christensen. Good touch there by Amon. Yard area. Prentice, so gifted. Look at that touch. Amon was able to cut it off. That ball volleyed out of the air. Shot and saved by Christensen, and he's able to secure it. Left, guarding that near post, Robles. And then it was Para. Now it's a one-man wall, built by Waldeck. Arthur Rogers plays it down and volleyed by Para again. Christensen always in the right spot. Near side, he comes to Lukic. Lukic with space, Rogers to his right. Lukic turns it up middle of the field. He's gonna take a blast from distance. It hits and then headed in. A score! Irvin Para, set up by the long distance blast for Irvin Para. Here's Lukic, igniting it, hit the side piping, and then Para sensing it in the right spot, headed it down and immediately crediting teammate Stefan Lukic. We will have another sub coming in. Jamie Smith comes in, that shot in. We've seen his ability to get power on this throw all the way out in front, headed down, save, and then to score! Incredible! They've done it again. In stoppage, can you believe it? Triumph fans, remarkable. All started by the Labovitz throw in, headed out, rebound, and then punched in by Evan Lee. Initial save by Olsen, but it was Lee with those long legs, getting the right foot and powering it in to the lower corner. Sent down, up in the air, whistle blows, and that is it. It was Jamie Smith. The ball hit his elbow.